Hey everyone! Today we're discussing something a lot of us do but don't always do safely, cleaning our ears. Now, you might think ear cleaning is straightforward, but surprisingly, it's one of those tasks that can easily go wrong if we're not careful. So, if you've ever felt a bit uncertain about how to clean your ears safely, or if you've noticed a bit of buildup or discomfort, then stick around. I've got you covered with the right steps, tips, and some expert-backed info to help. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we jump into the cleaning process, let's talk about earwax. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but earwax actually plays an essential role in ear health. According to experts at the Mayo Clinic, earwax, or cerumen, is a natural self-cleaning agent that helps protect and lubricate our ear canals. It keeps dust, debris, and even bacteria from going deeper into our ears, which can prevent infections and irritation. So, we don't want to go overboard with cleaning, we just want to remove excess buildup when it becomes an issue. Gather your cleaning supplies. We're going to avoid anything that could cause harm, like cotton swabs or sharp objects. Instead, you'll need some mineral oil or baby oil, which helps soften the wax. A small rubber bulb syringe, which will help us gently flush the ear. And a soft cloth or tissue to wipe the outer ear afterward. If you don't have mineral oil, olive oil can work too. This is where things get practical. Start by taking the mineral oil or baby oil and warming it up just a bit. You can do this by placing a small bottle of oil in a bowl of warm, not hot, water for a few minutes. Why warm? According to a study published by the American Academy of Otolaryngology, warm oil can be more effective at softening hardened earwax, making it easier to remove. Once it's warm, tilt your head to one side and place a few drops of the oil into your ear. Hold that position for about 1 to 2 minutes to let the oil reach and soften the wax. Then, repeat this on the other ear if needed. Step 4. Gently flush with warm water. After about a day of letting the oil work, you'll want to rinse out any softened wax with warm water. For this, take a rubber bulb syringe, fill it with warm, not hot, water, and tilt your head over a sink or towel. Slowly and gently squeeze the water into your ear, don't force it. This gentle rinse helps dislodge and remove the now softened wax. After rinsing, tilt your head to let the water drain out completely and pat the outer ear dry with a clean towel. If you're dealing with stubborn wax, hydrogen peroxide can help. A 3% hydrogen peroxide solution that you can find at most pharmacies can safely break down wax if used properly. According to the Harvard Medical School, just a few drops in the ear canal, followed by a rinse with warm water, can be very effective. To do this, tilt your head to one side and use a dropper to place 1 to 2 drops of peroxide solution in the ear. Let it bubble for a minute, then tilt your head the opposite way to let it drain out. Follow up with a warm water rinse to flush out any remaining wax. After rinsing, you'll want to make sure your ears are thoroughly dried. Use a soft, clean towel to pat around the ear gently. Moisture can sometimes cause infections, so it's essential to dry well. When to see a professional? Ear cleaning at home can be safe and effective, but it's important to recognize when professional help is needed. According to the American Academy of Family Physicians, if you experience pain, hearing loss, or a persistent feeling of blockage after these steps, you may need to see a doctor to rule out any infections or impacted earwax. And there you have it. That's the safest and most effective way to clean your ears without risking injury or irritation. Remember, your ears are pretty good at cleaning themselves, so don't feel you need to do this too often. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might need some ear cleaning advice. Also, drop a comment if you've got any questions or if there's something else you'd like us to cover.